For many years, stock photography has been the main income stream for a lot of people, and as such, it has become a saturated market. Do you know the story is entirely different for stock videos? Allow me to welcome you to today's video. Our topic of discussion: make money by selling stock videos. Before we continue, can you take a few minutes to like the video? Then click on the red bell icon to subscribe to our channel. To the business of the day: make money from selling stock videos. Selling stock videos is not as easy as selling stock photos. You don't just upload some very awesome pictures and call it a day. In selling stock videos, you have to bear in mind the nature of the platform because each platform requires something different, be it editorial or commercial footage. And each of these kinds of videos comes with its own unique digital legal stipulation. Companies, organizations, and even brands are increasingly in need of stock videos to boost their social media activities and presence, television appearance, and digital campaigns. So it is no joke. The high demand for stock videos makes it a good, substantial money-making stream for individuals who are interested in selling them. But as already mentioned, there is more to selling stock videos than just filming and uploading. You need focus, preparation, and content to start. Continue watching this video to know how to start selling stock videos, prepare them, upload them, and most importantly, how to make money selling stock videos. Making a good video that helps you to make money takes a lot of time and effort, and patience. But when done diligently, it can produce excellent results. Follow these steps below to achieve success. Step 1. How to start. To start making money from selling stock videos, you need to first of all start making stock videos. Shoot videos. Before you start shooting, it is better to start with researching stock service sites. What sells? Make a shot of something similar or even better. After shooting comes the great task of sorting out the best to work with. Before you begin shooting, it is best to start first by planning the video. Don't just take out your camera and begin shooting. Prepare for it. Treat the video as a narrative, create a solid vision for it, tell a story with each shot. Planning for your video ensures you cover the essential shots, every detail and emotion. And you don't necessarily have to do something beyond you. Do you? Yes, do what you love. Aside from preparing your story, do what you love. It is more fun doing what you love, and the happiness you get from doing it reflects in the details, the accuracy, and even the quality of your videos. Step 2. Filming. When filming, take into consideration the camera movements, from the dolly movement to the handheld or stabilized movement or even the parallax effect. Anything other than the normal static lifestyle shot is good for selling stock videos. Another thing to consider while filming is light and focus. Good lighting with a great background goes a long way in making a stock video come out beautifully. Also, look out for filters that, when combined with your editing software, make your video the show stealer. Step 3. Preparing your video. After shooting comes preparing the video, and it is a very important process in the making of a stock video. If you don't want to market poor quality videos, then you must do this. Start with having the best videos stored in a drive, and it is best to organize them in folders, each folder representing the category the video falls under. This would help make it easy to access the videos and comb through your collection. When this is done, look for an easy-to-use video editing software and get ready to create that awesome video. Bear in mind the length of the video, the quality of the video, the subject, and all the color of the video. When it comes to color, always do a correction of color. No one will buy a flat video because it doesn't have feelings. Also necessary in this particular step is to know what sells. Research is vital for the stock video market. Research before shooting. Knowing what styles of videos are in demand and what contents help to increase the chances of your video getting sold. Step 4. Uploading your video. After preparing the video, it's time for uploading. But before that, work on future-proofing the videos. Future-proofing your videos is in terms of video resolution. If you want your video to remain relevant in years to come, go beyond the normal resolution of current videos. Go for 4K or 8K resolutions, or better still, go for RAW, so you can decide later on which you want. Future-proofing your videos ensures your video remains in value in the time to come. After that, export your videos from the editing software independently. You can do this manually if you want to be very precise, or you can use plugins. It is advisable to do the exporting in batches and let them go on overnight into their specific folders. Doing this makes keeping track of the uploading process easy. And when it comes to selling stock videos, the more videos you have, the better your chances of making more money. While doing this, let organization be your center core. After exporting, you can upload to your preferred stock services like Shutterstock or Getty Images. Also, you can use Blackbox for uploading and doing the tagging process. Before uploading the video, make sure to have release forms signed and properly documented by all the concerned people. Step 5. Tags. Tags are important in every video you make. Apart from serving as a means of identification, it also helps to bring the video to light. The more unique a title is, the better it is situated in making more money. This is not minor at all. The better described your video is, the more popularity it will garner. And when it is easy to be seen, then the chances of it being bought are high. Before we say our goodbyes and listen to your suggestions and opinions in the comment section of this video, you should know that the best-selling stock videos are unique, tell a story, and are very smooth with a serene progression and a not-too-bad color grade. Do some keyword searches, as this would help put your video out there. Aside from all these, be patient. Do not be bothered if you don't have what it takes to make new videos. You can make do with the ones you have. No rule says you must use new videos. And when you combine patience, planning, and diligence in creating a stock video, you can create a regular passive income stream for yourself. Having stayed till the end of this video, what are your thoughts? Do not hesitate to drop your suggestions and opinions in the comment section. Also, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Bye!